Justin.
And I'm Philip.
And I'm Leandra. Thank you for watching our videos and following our adventures. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you will be aware when we post our next video.
Awesome. Thanks for following us.
Happy trails! Today we are going exploring on some local tracks. This trip will take us through some of the most beautiful landscape in our area. It's going to take us through river crossings, mud pools, a snowy high pass, and very, very narrow trails. There are some trails we use in the winter on snow machines to go south, and we would like to see if there is a track there in the summer. If it doesn't go, we will try to challenge ourselves by taking one of our favorite loops. It's a loop that we do on foot, by bicycle, and on quads. It's treacherous and narrow.
The truck doesn't stop. It's the first time in a long time.
Get ready to hop in, hang on, and enjoy the ride. The full video of this adventure will be on YouTube next week Sunday at 10 a.m. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you'll know when it goes live. Thank you so much for your support, we really appreciate it. Cheers and happy trails.